Hey there, Heritage Landing fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing this inventory home. This is the Bougainvillea floor plan, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find here at Heritage Landing. This one is done and ready to go. It's 2,800 square foot. You're going to get 3 bedrooms plus a den. Great room design, pool, spa, lake view. Let's take a look here. So coming inside the Bougainvillea here, to your left, this is your dedicated dining space right here. And then you have the great room area here. But first we're going to go to the right. This is where your den is. So you have the nice glass doors here. You can consequently use this as a bedroom because it does have a full closet right there as well. So you can make this a 4-bedroom home if you like. Now coming across the home here, we'll take a better look at the dining space here with your dry bar. And this hallway is going to lead us to the guest bedrooms, guest bath, your garage, as well as your laundry. So that's your 2-car garage right through there. Then you have a nice indoor laundry space here with additional storage, your utility sink as well. Then you have your 2 guest bedrooms here. And notice all of the rooms here have this nice plank tile flooring. Right in between the bedroom and the bath, you've got the guest bath here with the shower, sink, and commode. Nice part is you have a pocket door right here, right into the bedroom. So you can make this a nice ensuite private bath for that bedroom there. The next guest bedroom here, this one is tied into your pool bath. So this is actually your pool bath. It goes out to your pool area right there. And now this bedroom has its own ensuite setup as well. And you also have the sliding glass doors leading out to that area. Now coming across the hallway again, we're gonna walk right into the kitchen space. So beautiful open kitchen, white cabinetry. You've got your oven, wall oven, microwave, the hood, the cooktop, nice corner pantry there. You get the full stainless appliance package. This home here comes with the quartz countertops. And then you're overlooking your entire great room space here. Really nice use of space. Everything's nice and open. And then here you have more of your eating kitchen area. Now coming across the great room, we're gonna take a look at the master here. So the master is gonna be split to the left and the right. On the left side, this is your actual bedroom space here with the bay type windows. You do have a glass front door leading out to your lanai. You've got 2 very nice size closets here. And then you have the master bath here with your storage here. You've got the double sinks, you've got the soaking tub, you've got the walk-in shower here with the dual shower heads. Nice vanity section here. That's your water closet. Really nice master bedroom here. Now outdoor living on this home is fantastic. So you've got this space right here, which a lot of people right here will utilize this as a nice seating area right here. And then coming out towards your pool and spa, you have plenty of space out here for additional chairs. Beautiful pool and spa, and that's overlooking the lake here. But we're not done. Over here on the other side near the pool bath. So this area here is where you're gonna put your outdoor kitchen right over here. You've got all your utilities set up, your water, your electric, everything else. You even got an electric box up there to, you know, if you wanted to put a TV on a wall, those kind of things. And then right here in this space, this is the space here where most people put a nice little 6-top, eat right off of the outdoor grill, and you can get into the home right here as well through the door right into your kitchen. So very convenient. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto. We appreciate you watching.